gonna blast some motherfucking faggots in this one. Lesbians too. Yeah. Transvestites, herpes invested up in these motherfucking bitches' asses tonight. Can you learn a lesson fucking with me? You best bet you can. I pull a grenade up and stick it in your ass. These homosexuals, lesbians, faggots, and trannies are nothing but bad bitches, and they need to have their panties dropped. Cause I'm clipping off balls, motherfucking cutting off dicks and sticking them in other niggas' lips, cause I'm a sick cracker. Snapping when I'm cracking with the fucking faggot hating passion, dragging bitches like the Clash of the Titans, and I'm the Kraken. Now you wanna play with me, bitches, cause I'm snapping. Nah, you motherfucking bitches ain't even living next to me, because these motherfucking bitches is gonna bleed. Smack crack with a baseball bat to the back of the neck and leave you laying like that. Pick you up like Boris and Natasha off a bullwinkle, tie you to the train tracks and leave you there, fool. Hoping the train doesn't stop in time and cut your motherfucking ass too. I'm whining on the grind. I whine and grind and get it when I motherfucking shine. They call me the daytime, even in the night. And in the nighttime, I am the dark side of the light. You wanna play with me, bitches? I can't even drive. Can't had a license since 2004, and I don't need one because I'm not driving no more. The only thing I'm driving is a stake up in your heart. You vampiric bitches is pissing me off, and now my name is Mark S-C-O-T-T from the S-E-D-J-I-L-L-E-S-E-D-A-L-I-A. What I say, M-I-S-S-O-U-R-I. You better pay attention when I'm speaking, bitches gonna die. Albino, Magilla Gorilla, Magilla Cuddy tonight. The knife I don't conceal, I got it in broad daylight, so you see me coming. So you bitches best bet you better start running. I do not give a damn about taking a life or grabbing some pliers and pulling the skin over your eyes. Yeah, and I don't really give a damn. My name ain't Dirty B for no reason. It's because I'm dirty and I don't give a damn. Yeah, the baddest motherfucking man on this planet. Yes, I am the worst. Just when I was born, I've been cursed, and now I'm flirting, motherfucking do things the way I wanna. And how am I gonna check this bitch out? I'm a shark in the water, you were gonna, and now you gonna find out. Call your mama, save the drama. Bitches, call your sister. Yeah, ain't calling the damn person, cause we'll miss you in about 15 minutes, right? Because I'm slitting the motherfucking neck, and now you dripping. Motherfucking folks outside tripping. Over on the north side, we got those folks. Yeah, those boys in red, they get it how they live. Don't give a damn.